Good morning, students. In this video, we will solve some problems based on transformer. Before solving the problem, we must remember some formulas like EMF equation of a transformer, that is 4.44 F5 N1 volts. And also, if you remember turns ratio, N2 by N1 is equal to V2 by V1 is equal to I1 by I2 is equal to K. And also, if you remember maximum efficiency of transformer are for X load, X into kV into cos phi divided by kV into cos phi plus iron loss plus copper loss. If it is maximum efficiency, iron loss is equal to copper loss, so 2 Wi or 2 Wcu will get it, right? And also formula we need maximum flux density, flux per unit area, right? Current charge density, current per unit area, and volume charge density, volume per unit area. Similarly, flux density, flux per unit area, right? So the first problem we will see. So this is examination problem, okay? A single phase transformer has 400 turns. N1 they have given 400, right? N1 is 400. And primary turns and 1000 turns secondary. N2 is given 1000. Okay. And the net cross sectional area of the core is given 60 centimeter square. So I can write 60 into 10 raised to minus 4, right? And the primary winding is connected to a 500 volts 50 hertz supply. So V1 is there given 500 and 50 hertz supply. Find the peak value of flux density. We need to calculate Bm, right? Flux per unit area, and EMF induced in the secondary winding. We need to calculate E2 also, right? I think E2 or V2 we can calculate directly. Only the symbol is different, okay? E2 you can take or V2 you can take, your wish. V1 or V2 or E1 or E2, your wish. Keep it in your mind. See, here N1 is given, N2 is given and V1 is given. Directly you can calculate V2, secondary voltage, by using turns ratio formula, right? V2 by V1 is equal to N2 by N1. Just to multiply V1 over here, directly you will get V2, right? So just to calculate by using calculator. And also we need to calculate flux. Which formula I will prefer? Definitely we need to prefer EMF equation of transformer. That is E1 is equal to, or V1, okay, I'll take V1. Some of the books they mentioned E1. V1 is equal to 4.44 F 5M N1 volts. I'll give you a detailed solution for this problem, okay? Just to calculate 5M by using this formula. We will see the problem carefully. Solution I have given. So N1 is given 400, N2 is 1000, area is given 60 centimeter square, 60 into 10 raised to minus 4, converted into meter square, centimeter will be there, meter square, okay? And U1 is given 500, frequency is given 50, the EMF equation of transformer is E1 is equal to 4.44 F5 N1 volts. What is that? 5M, I mean how much we got? 5.63 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber. If you want maximum flux density, Bm is equal to 5m by A, 5.63 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 60 into 10 raised to minus 4. Finally, we got 0.938 Weber per meter square. And U2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N1. Definitely by cross calculating, E2 we got 1250. Already I told you either you should choose V2 or E2. Don't confuse. Only the letter is different. Okay. Next problem, the maximum efficiency of full load and unity power factor, single phase 25 kVA, 500 bar 1000 volts, 50 hertz transformer is 98%. They have given directly the efficiency 98% and determine its efficiency at 75% of load at 0.9 power factor and 50% of load 0.8 power factor. See the question properly. The maximum efficiency they have given, so maximum efficiency N max is given x into kVA into cos phi divided by kVA in the sense that 25 into 10 raised to 3, keep it in your mind, x into kVA into cos phi plus 2Wi. See, full load dimension x is equal to 1. I can take x is equal to 1. Just to substitute over here, x is equal to 1 here. And kVA they have given 25 kVA. 25 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, 25 into 10 raised to 3 you should substitute. And cos phi is given, unity power factor is 1. Directly they have given. So I think maximum efficiency is given 98%. 98% they have given. Directly you can calculate, right, 2Wi, because all the values are known. We can calculate Wi, iron loss, right? Just see the solution, after that we will see. And if you calculate Wi, calculate for 75% of load. Just to substitute the x value into that formula with cos phi is 0.9, you'll get the all subheading answers, right? I'll just show you the answer. See here, maximum efficiency of iron loss and then copper loss are equal. W is equal to WCU. Already we derived the EMF equation and the condition for maximum efficiency equation. Iron loss is equal to copper loss we got, right? E1 is equal to 500 volts, E2 is equal to 1000 volts, and the frequency they have given 50 hertz. And efficiency they have given, condition for maximum efficiency is 0.98. So I2 we can calculate by using this tons, not tons ratio. I2 we can calculate kVA into cos phi divided by kVA divided by V2, right? kVA, if you want V2 I2 here, right? So if you want I2 divided by V2, kVA as it is 25 into 10 raised to 3, right? 25 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 1000, you will get 25 amps. And 0.98, just to substitute the values over here, WA plus WCU, WA is equal to WCU, you will get 255.1 watts. Efficiency, output power divided by output power plus iron loss plus copper loss. Finally, V2 into cos phi, V2 into cos phi plus iron loss, copper loss, just to substitute. Finally, efficiency of transformer, we got 96.9%. Use calculator properly and put a bracket properly, then only you will get a perfect answer. And also one logic I will tell you, transformer efficiency while calculating, you will get more than 90%. Because even though before itself, while discussing theory itself, I told you, right? Efficiency of transformer always you will get more, above 90%. You will not get less than 90% in the problem solution. If you are getting that answer less than 50, less than 60, definitely redo your calculation. Definitely you calculate once again, definitely you will get puck answer. Otherwise you won't get exact answer. Okay. So next problem, in a 25 kVA 2000 bar 200 volt single phase transformer, iron loss and full load copper loss are 350 watts and 400 watts respectively. They have given directly kVA is 25, kVA and voltage V1 V2 is given 2000 and 200 volts. Iron loss is given and copper is also given, right, to 350 and 400 watts respectively. Calculate the efficiency unity power factor on full load and half load. We need to calculate now. Everything that data is given. Directly we need to calculate now. Okay. So E1 is given, E2 is given, WI is given, WC is given, right? How to calculate I2? I2 is equal to what? kVA rating into kVA rating into 1000 divided by V2 if you want I2, right? Otherwise if you want I1, kVA rating divided by V1 voltage. So efficiency if you want to calculate, output power by output power plus iron loss plus copper loss. Already they have given data. Just to substitute iron loss and then copper loss. Okay. Efficiency we got 97.08% and efficiency for half load we got 96.52%. Like this, how to solve the problem and keep it in your mind while solving the problem. Efficiency will get more than 90. Just that is common sense. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll solve some more examination problem in the next video. Thank you. Okay. Please try to and remember only four formulas like EMF equation, turns ratio, and also condition for maximum efficiency formula, and copper loss, iron loss formula. Thank you.